So let us show you the first case of these giros that we are going to be using. So we start up with the side step. 1, tap, 1 and 2, lifting, normal resolution to start all over again. If you notice, we did a salida, followed by a giro, and then followed by the third part, which is the resolution cierre. Now, together we are going to see this. Leaders first, we are doing side step 1. Now, here's the step that I was talking about. I will re-step a little bit farther front with my right. So the main goal is that I can be ahead of her, pulling and pivoting. So I will be pivoting my left. My weight is on my left. I will pivot, 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 back, side. If you notice, I'm pivoting and now I run out of pivot. So if I keep pulling, I will end up like a pretzel. So I really need to step with the right on her next step, which is front. So we pivot and we'll try to step close to her front step. A little closer. Why? Because we want to re-embrace. If I step farther apart from her, this will not be possible. So I need to get closer embrace. So at the same time, I can lift her. I control that leg. She's not going anywhere. She can do embellishment, but not a step. From here, lower to the resolution, quick, quick, slow, small step to start all over again.
Good. For the follower on the same move, we are going to do a side step. Now pivot on the right leg. Pivot, pivot, pivot before sending the left. Be careful, don't send the leg too soon. After the hip is in angle, I will step back, side, and now the trick to the front step. Let's go 2 feet together. When he moves, we have to move around. So I will send my left in open position and look the right. It's going to pivot just a little bit to adjust and follow the torso of the leader to lift the position and pivot again on my left. Pivoting, pivoting to finish the rotation, face the leader, opening the right shoulder, and from here we can go to resolution. In this case, so we'll start with a close embrace. Now, when I do the back step and pivot, I need this space. So from the leader, I feel he's releasing, and I move my hand from one shoulder blade to the other, and the shoulder on top of my leg. From here, I will create the back step, side step. On the front, I feel like we need to close embrace because he's rotating, so he's getting closer, so we re-embrace. Start with the front step, and from here, pivot, keep the close embrace. We do the embellishment and resolution. Quick, quick, slow, and little step to the front.
Very nice. What about dynamic?
Yeah, let's count the moves.
Yes.
So you can do this, of course, in a slow motion or faster. Side and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. So we are syncopating the first step of the molinete.
Yes, back, side, front will be quick, quick, slow. From the other side, same dynamic. We have in, side, and tap. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and side to start all over again.